Hello everybody! This is about Snap embedded in your own school environment. The main news is we have 4 official Moodle plugins to do it. And so, any Moodle administrator can install them with only one click. Beyond this, if you need it, the main project is a plugin builder, and so you can customize and even create your own plugin for your own Snap modification. Let's go to the plugin. Here I am a Snap teacher inside a Moodle course, and to request for a Snap project, I only have to create an assignment. Type a name and select a Snap submission with this checkbox. That's all. Really easy, isn't it? Let's look at some more features. The main content allows you to explain the request or even build your own learning resource with the Snap editor embedded. Copying this lab content and just this. And also you can upload other resources for your students, papers, presentations, libraries, and also if you want a Snap project. And then the project will be the template, the starting point of the activity. About submissions, maybe you want to request for other elements, comments, files with papers, recordings, and also you can request for other Snap projects. For example, here, a Snap for Arduino project. And here the same. If you want a template, you only have to upload at the Snap for Arduino project. For example, here the template will be the Snap Junior project. And we have a lot of Moodle features, feedbacks, workflows, grades, rubrics. But I want to point that if you use pair programming, you can assign this activity to those pairs teams. That's all. Look at the activity. I'm going to submissions. I will see there my students' projects. And I already see that my students are in pairs. Catalan, German, California pairs here. Go now to the students view. Here I'm Joan student, and refreshing, I see the new activity, its contents, and starting. I see both projects with their starting point loaded. See, we have all the Snap features and only disabled the cloud options. I can work on full screen if I need it, and just save when I want. I always see my projects and I can submit them when they are done, and I can edit them while they are still open. Now, refreshing the teacher view, I can see my students' work. It's still a draft, yes, but I can see it. I can set feedback if I want, and see it is a pair task. My most advanced team, Catalans, and my other lazy students. Oh wait, maybe it's a time zone issue. Of course, my pair Bernat sees the same, and he can update the project whenever he wants. No remote desktop needed. The project is both. And a roadmap. First, add a feedback plugin to allow teachers to send project corrections and ending proposals. Second, create a new cloud plugin, just embedding a cloud service like Berkeley Snap, and so keeping cloud features enabled. Because our main goal at the bottom of all this is to make bridges between the powerful idea of sharing, the community cloud, and the school needs sometimes more controlled environments. That's all. Thank you.